Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Oh my god.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Okay, stop.
Fuck you. Yeah, this is Pete Burns with Anal Dildos Incorporated. Just let you know that we got yours all fixed up and ready to roll. It was under warranty. There'll be no charge for this. I tried it out on myself personally. Seems to be working just fine. Although I would recommend going with a larger size.
What?
That's just kind of people have a